people are very grateful to His Excellency the President for the support he's giving us as Kirinyaga County and other counties. The other side, we have now the effects of Corona or COVID-19, and we have a lot of need, and that is why we are taking the time to go out, encourage people, keep their spirits up. If you notice, we are singing to keep their spirits up and also to give them food. The Jubilee Party is finally cracking the whip to ensure that there is party discipline. And it is very dangerous when you have a party that doesn't have discipline. And if you look at all the parties across Kenya, there is no party that does not have a code of conduct and their constitution. The party is not intimidating anybody. All we have said is that we need to adhere to our party constitution and our code of conduct. Everybody signed a code of conduct before they got their nomination certificate. And all of us signed that we will adhere to the constitution of Jubilee Party and that we will recognize that we have a party leader and party structures. It is not possible to run government with indiscipline, and therefore we encourage the leadership to continue in that manner so that we can be able to also deliver on the promises of Jubilee. If we do not do that, we will not be able to pass bills in Parliament. We will not be able to pass them here in the County Assembly. We will allocate money without looking at what the manifesto of Jubilee says. So it is important that people know we have a agenda. That is big four agenda, which is of the president, that must be supported. And we also at this time have a crisis of Corona, which also we must be able to deal with. And that we cannot do when we have indiscipline. At this point in time, we need to crack the whip. If somebody is not satisfied with the Jubilee Party, they have options. There are many parties in Kenya. You can go to another party. But if you're in Jubilee Party, you need to adhere to the constitution. And the least you can do is respect His Excellency the President. The people of Nyangate Ward are very happy to receive the support of the food relief. In this area, there's been lots of floods. It's usually the areas where you have we grow rice and all, and because it's of the lowland, most of the crop has been destroyed. And we also had a season when locusts passed by. So the people are very grateful to His Excellency the President for the support he's giving us as Kirinyaga County and other counties. The other side, we have now the effects of Corona or COVID-19, and we have a lot of need.